Meizu has officially launched its latest flagship, the Meizu 22, alongside its updated Flime AIOS ecosystem. The phone sees the light of day after several delays, as it was originally planned to launch in August. It weighs 190 grams and is 8.15 millimeters thick, featuring a 2.5D micro arc front and a slim 1.2 millimeters four-sided bezel. The company describes the body as a 50-50 balanced design, meant to feel symmetrical in the hand. There's also an independent AI button, which Meizu says can launch over 20 different shortcut actions with a single press. On the front, the Meizu 22 is equipped with a 6.3-inch display at 1.5K resolution. It supports a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, peak brightness up to 6,000 nits, and covers the full DCI P3 color gamut. The panel integrates RuRan eye protection technology, which combines hardware-level low blue light and DC dimming for reduced eye strain. The design includes a micro-arc 2.5D front glass and a narrow 1.2mm border on all sides. The software experience is driven by Flime AIOS 2, which brings AI features like AI drawing, AI filters, pedestrian removal, glare reduction, and moire removal. Small Window Mode 5.0, Game Assistant, and Smart Travel are also baked in. For car owners, Flime Auto 2 provides deeper integration with Meizu's ecosystem, while Flime Link handles device-to-car connectivity. The phone has 4 cameras in total, 3 on the back and 1 on the front. It includes 50-megapixel wide-angle, 50-megapixel 3x periscope telephoto, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, 50-megapixel selfie camera. Under the hood, the Meizu 22 runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chip, cooled by a 4,500mm square VC liquid cooling system. Powering it all is a 5,500 mAh battery with 80-watt wired charging and 66-watt wireless charging. Furthermore, the Meizu 22 comes with a linear vibration motor, infrared remote functions, UWB digital key support, and IP66, IP68 water and dust resistance. However, not all models are equal in connectivity. Only the top-tier 16GB plus 1TB variant supports UWB, USB 3.2, and DisplayPort 1.2 output. All other versions are limited to USB 2.0 speeds, 480 Mbps, which is a notable downgrade compared to many rivals in this price range. The phone also uses a multi-antenna system, including quad-antenna MIMO technology, to improve network performance. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.